There's a saying here in Kentucky we have, you either love the mint julep or you don't. But I say if you don't like the mint julep, you haven't had mine. There is some standards when making a mint julep glass. You don't always have to stick to them. For one, you must have a mint julep glass. This is a stainless steel. This one is stainless steel. There's all kinds you can find. But guys, don't let that bother you. If you ain't got a mint julep glass, just use a glass. Just a regular mixer glass. It's okay. You're gonna have a fine tasting drink. Just use what you got, guys. That's the rule. So let's get started making this thing. It's real easy. I'm gonna show you a version of the julep that is really good. It's as good, if not better, than anything you will ever get at the racetrack. I promise you this. So follow these directions and it's real simple. Let's get going. Guys, we're gonna start this drink off with 2 ounces of a Jim Beam bourbon. I'm using Jim Beam Black. You can use the bourbon of your choice. I do love the Jim Beam Black though. Just 2 ounces straight in. Okay, next is 1 to 1.5 ounces. It's up to you. This is slightly over an ounce of mint syrup. And guys, once upon a time I'd have told you I do nothing but make my own mint syrup, and I will show you that at some point. But I ran across this Master of Mixers mint syrup, and it's the real deal, guys. I use it as much as making, well, actually more than I make my own now. So I do recommend this, but if you're a purist, make your own. 1 to 1.5 ounces, right there. One thing I normally say is I recommend crushed ice. If you don't have crushed ice, I recommend cracked ice. Just add some right there. We'll add some more in a minute. The idea was to get this glass ice cold. And that's where your crushed ice, in this case cracked ice. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is really frosting up. Ooh, there goes some ice escaping. Well, I can smell that already. We're going to top that off with ice. Finally, get you a big old thick mint sprig. Stick that right in there like that. Little sippy straw right in there. Let's give this a taste. Alright guys, let's give this thing a taste. I know it's good, I can smell it. The idea is plant your nose right down in that mint when you take a drink. That is super refreshing, guys. That's how I explain this. Great springtime, summertime cocktail. Just straight bourbon, mint syrup, that's all there is. Chilled out, nice cold glass. It doesn't have to be a mint julep glass. Just use a regular glass, whatever you got. Plastic glass, just make the drink, guys. Trust me on this. Don't go to the store and buy those pre-mixed whatever they got. It's not real mint juleps. This is a mint julep. Give her a shot, guys. So good. I'm gonna finish this. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you, and please give us a like, share us, and subscribe if you have not already. We've got plenty more to come, more cooks, we've got some more cocktails coming, and doing live feeds now about once a week on Wednesday night, usually on Wednesday night. So stick around, guys, we got plenty more to come. So folks, God bless you. We will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.